Come pack with me as I go on a vacation. I know you must be wondering what she's doing on the floor. I'm tired. My feet and my leg is paining me. Been walking for the longest time. I'm wearing sweater, right? Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so finally, Jojo will get to use his box. So I got this for him for his birthday. And he's like, okay, this is my vacation box. So I'll be packing his stuff here. I'll be packing his stuff here. So I'm packing 3 boxes. One very big box, one other medium box for, yeah, and this. So as a mom, when you and your family are going on vacation, you have the responsibility to ensure that everything is packed and nothing is missing. So that's exactly what I want to do. So something with me, I like to do things at late, like towards the last second, last minute, right? Because I think I get to remember a lot of things at that point. But once I start packing from maybe a long time, I end up missing out something. So I think I like to do it towards, let me just say, the last hour. So that's why I'm doing it. What's the time now? This is like maybe 10 p.m. or 11. And tomorrow we're going on a trip. And this is me trying to pack. So I'm sorry. Let's pack. But let's see some of the things I got. I got a lot of things. So anyway, I already packed this bag, my Ted Baker. I had to put my glasses, my sunglasses, some accessory. So this one is with my power bank. Of course, power bank. How do you travel without a power bank? If you know you love to take pictures, you like to make videos, and of course you need to capture moments, right? Because there's something with me, I usually say pictures, videos, you're just making memories. At that point, you think you're taking pictures, you're making videos, but honestly, you're creating memories that one day you'll thank yourself for capturing these beautiful moments. Okay, so I'm hot. Let me show you some of the, there's a lot. Beautiful things. Okay, this is my mom's outfit. I got this from my mom. So there's a lot. There's just a lot. Colorful clothes. Colorful clothes. What summer without colorful clothes? What summer without colorful clothes? What summer without colorful clothes? What are you saying? Okay. What summer without colorful clothes? Just wait though. What summer without an animal skin? What summer without colorful clothes? Okay. So, you know one thing with me, I think summer is a period whereby you display loads of colors, right? And you just want to be bright, beautiful, so that your pictures can be fine. Aside that, it's a very wonderful time. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. Ooh, I'm so tired. What summer without a proper denim? So let's see. There's a lot. I don't think I'll be able to show, but what summer without a colorful clothes? Okay. What summer without colorful clothes? More, eh? Summer is actually an expensive period. So we get to save more in winter because you're not doing so much. What's summer without the colorful clothes? Oh, looking at this thing, now I'm looking at this thing. It will not be too wide. Don't worry. Allow me bother about what I want to wear it with, okay? Because I know you might be imagining what does she want to wear it with? How will it look? Don't worry, leave it to me. All right. All right. What's summer without a colorful clothes? I told you it's about colors, right? Don't worry. I think I'm tired at this point. So I want to pack Jojo's stuffs first. Then before I pack mine. So yeah. I know by the time I'm done, I'll be so exhausted. So let's start. Jojo's bag. Yeah. So I'm going to break this video. I'm going to break this video into different. So see Jojo. Jojo he has this camera. He wants to capture moments. So I'm going to break this video.